Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a Coach unboxing. So basically I haven't bought Coach in at least over 10 years. The last bag I got, like last handbag I got from Coach was probably back in 2013. So that's like 13 years ago. We're in year 2026. But Coach has made a huge comeback in my eyes since last year. Like a lot of people are buying Coach because the designs are pretty nice. And so when I saw this one, I just knew that I needed it, even though I've put myself on ban island as of last year. That was a complete fail. I mean, ever since I said I would buy no more bags of mid-May last year, I bought like 4 handbags at the end of 2025 and 2 early just this year. So I'm gonna put a hold on saying I'm gonna ban myself just because it's like basically impossible for me to stick to it. Anyway, so this Coach bag, I'm very excited for it because first, I haven't bought Coach in a long time, and secondly is because I plan to use it during Chinese New Year. And if you can see in the background, I will do a close-up of my LV Murakami cherry denim never full inside out later, because that I've inverted it into a red handbag, and I also plan to use it during the Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year. So while I unbox this handbag, just let you know that it took like over a month to get here, maybe just 4 to 5 weeks, and I was traveling, so it's good that it didn't come that quickly, but I did order it in mid-December period. So it's been a month. It arrived earlier this week, but I've been really lazy and procrastinating in creating videos. And so today is Sunday, and I thought, okay, I need to film this, unbox it, and then show it to you guys. And hopefully there's no issues with it because it's been sitting here for a week. And yeah, if there's any issues, I don't even know how to return it. It came all the way from Canada. And let's take a look. I might be opening it on the wrong side simply because there's the address on the bottom, and so I turned it around. So as you can see, it's a Coach handbag, and it appears to have lots and lots of protection. So let me just take her out, and as we can see, actually I'm not even sure if you can see, but this is a Tabby, Coach Tabby bag. So let me just put away everything else so that we could have a better look at it. Look at all this packaging. Oh my goodness. This is definitely new with the packaging. So this is actually from the Candy collection, or Rainbow Crystal. And look at all of the protection inside from Coach. This is the dust bag. The inside is super soft. So I saw this on YouTube from some other unboxings. I was like, this is incredible. Okay, she's rather heavy with the straps, so I'm going to remove the straps and just show you the handbag first. I'll be right back. Okay, back with the scissors. The lighting might keep changing on you, sorry guys, because I ran out of battery, so I had to get my USB and charge, and now I have like a light right here. I'm trying to get this bag to do its justice, because in real life she's much more, you would think, like, she's very bling, but at the same time like neutral enough for you to wear her during the day and in the evening. And let me just get a closer look to make sure that, you know, the beads and the lining is all okay. So funny thing is that it has this Chinese saying, basically saying, like, it's one of those tags where if you rip this off, then you can't return it. But from my understanding, I can't, unless it's absolute, like, it's completely roughed up. There's no way I was going to return this bag anyway, because it took like 3 weeks international shipping to get here. It was sent to me from Canada, and when I purchased it, I had no idea it was coming from Canada. But yeah, I'm so glad, because they weren't selling this Tabby or the so-called, I think this is the candy or rainbow crystal signature Tabby. So it's a size Tabby 26, and it's my first Tabby ever. Like I mentioned earlier, I haven't bought on Coach in 14 years, so I'm quite excited. It's like a soft Tabby, so that's what I like about it. So it's, you can wear it very casual. Let me also cut out the tags. I also like the fact that there's a heart. This is in leather. Let me remove her from this as well. It says Coach. There's still more. There's just so much packaging. I want to. That says Coach as well. So yeah, finally removed all the stuffing. There's still these cards in here that says Coach. And I will remove this later, but I just want to do a super close-up of this bag right now. And I think she will be perfect during the Chinese New Year, because it's auspicious to use something or to wear something new during Chinese New Year. And so this would be the new bag that I use her on the first day. And then during all of Chinese New Year, I can interchange her with my LV Murakami bag in the back. And yeah, let me do a close-up now. Inside is leather, lined leather, and yeah, it doesn't even look like I will be putting an organizer in it. I might, I don't know, I haven't decided. But the back, she's just so beautiful. Let me get her shine this way. And then it's actually suede on the side and at the bottom. So this is why I thought it would be perfect, because I haven't bought a suede leather bag in a while. And so I've been looking at suede, but just haven't decided which bag is great with suede, because I've been buying more like Louis Vuitton and they don't have a lot of suede. It's usually canvas or leather. And so yeah, I like the fact that it has a touch of suede on the sides and at the bottom. And it comes with these brown leather tags, Coach, the signature Coach tags, but this one in the heart. So it actually works during Valentine's period as well. But yeah, I won't be using her until February 17th, the first day of Chinese New Year. Now let me quickly just put her in the background and then get the handles. So that's one short bag strap, and then it comes with this chain. Let's see. So this is the chain handle. And then this is the long bag strap. More protection. So as you can see, it's removable or like detachable and also adjustable to the Tabby 26. So I think I will be using the long bag strap during Chinese New Year because I'll probably be holding a lot of Chinese New Year gifts and food to visit my family. But during the time now, I think it'd be good to show you her with the short straps. So let me put this on her another close up. Let me close her up. Yeah, when I saw this on some YouTubers, I was like, this is the bag I really want from Coach after so many years. I love rainbows and the gold and glitter of the beads and crystals, the crystals is just divine. That's the word that I'm going to use for this bag. It's just divine. So I think I will be using her like this as well, where I put both the leather strap and the kind of like brass spool or like copper chain just as decor, and it will look like this. And if I wanted to use the chain on the shoulder strap, that will work as well. You just put this one on the back and then see how she looks with the gold chain. She's so beautiful. Or even as both, double strap, double shoulder strap. So yeah, this will be the New Year bag I use on February 17th. And then now let me get a close-up of my Neverfull BB in the inside out. One sec. I'll be back. Here you go. I'm back with a close-up. So I thought that these bag charms would be very fitting for Chinese New Year because on the side I've put like a round pouch. Like you could either put like AirPods or the earplugs in this here, And then I have a strawberry LV bag charm. I like the fact that there's a little green here for CNY. And then my Hello Kitty glitter that I got, I think, during my trip in Tokyo last year, or in 2024. I bought a Kuromi one for my friend's daughter because she likes Kuromi. And cherries. And this is the Never Full denim and cherries. And it came with this pouch as well. So I thought this bag was like so great because you could use her in so many ways, either as a top handle or crossbody, because it's a smaller bag. So then once I put her back in, show you the back. It's all red leather. Okay, so these are the 2 bags I will be using during CNY. If you guys haven't subscribed already and like these type of unboxing videos, do subscribe and like this video. Share it to anyone that likes Coach. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.